What's going on, guys? This show here from smartpassivelifestyle.com. Welcome to my 1 hour workday review. Now I'm here inside a cloud-based members area of 1 hour workday, and during this video I'm gonna be giving you a full demo and a walkthrough of what 1 hour workday is and how you can use it to make the best out of it. So in a nutshell, 1 hour workday is a software and of course training that will teach you exactly how you can find content on YouTube which you can literally use as your own or render it as a service. Which kind of content is this? Literally content from any given niche, where you can grab any given YouTube video, put it into this software, and this software will literally give you all the written text format, so which you can literally use it as your own blog or render it as a service on some freelance website. So that's basically what the software and the training will teach you, and on top of that you also get some good advice from top marketers, top marketers like Tom Moshbari himself, as you can see. So literally these are some of the trainings you'll be getting from this guy Abhi, who is an Indian guy, teaching you exactly about freelancing right here, how you can make money from freelancing with the content you produce with 1 hour workday. So this is Tom right here, also giving you his own little advice on how you can utilize 1 hour of your day to make an impact of it. So check this out. This one is Neil, who is known to be a beast in terms of actually email automation stuff. So he's also giving you his own advice, what you need to do, how you can literally make use of an hour to make it an impact for your day. So literally this is a breakdown: 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. This is how he breaks down his 5 hour, and including his video where he will show you exactly what you needed to do. So this another guy. So literally there are 35 marketers here giving you an advice of what you can literally use an hour to do. So I'm gonna be going into more detail. If that sounds something that you are interested in, be sure to stick with me to the end of this very video. And I've also put together a ton of custom made bonuses for those of you that want to pick 1 hour workday via the link in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on that, it will take you exactly to the source page, which look exactly like this. All you have to do is to scroll down and click this pink button right here to secure yourself a copy of 1 hour work a day. So now, what are my bonuses? My bonus number one, I'm gonna be giving you this course for 100% free of charge, which is called Vanquish. Vanquish was actually a course that will teach you how to run YouTube ads and make money from promoting high ticket affiliate offers, and you don't need to worry. You don't have to actually make any videos yourself. Inside this course right here, there is a software that will find you top viral videos on YouTube where you can use actually place your ads on. On top of that, they also make the YouTube video which you can use a place on top of for your YouTube ad, and of course the webinars, product from Jono Armstrong, super affiliate system from John Cristani, simple Wi-Fi profit. So these are kind of product that literally make you $200 to $500 in commission from just one single sale. So that's the training where you are going to be learning inside the Vanquish method. So that is that. Bonus number two, I'm going to be offering you the lockdown formula, which is also another course teaching you different strategies on how you can make money online. It also comes with a pre-built in software that will help you to create a landing. They actually show you the software. The software is inbuilt, of course, where you can use to create your own very landing page. You don't need to have a website. You can literally be using this app to be creating your landing page. It also comes with pre-built in template where you can use even if you don't have a skill of actually creating landing pages. So that is what the lockdown formula will actually show you. Bonus number three, I'm going to be giving you access to this one called the Lost Code. Lost Code was actually a course launched until 2018 or 19, I couldn't remember. So by Jono Armstrong and Brendan Best, teaching you how you can promote high ticket affiliate offers, how you can run Bing ads, how you can run Google ads. So I'm also going to be adding on top of that, showing you how you can get $100 ad of coupon for you to actually get started with running an ad on Google and of course Bing. So I'm going to be showing you where you can get exactly those coupons. So that is actually there. Bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you access to Fuego Breakout. Fuego Breakout was actually a course by John Armstrong showing you how you can make money leveraging Instagram influencers, sending traffic to your affiliate to your landing pages. On top of that, you capture those leads where you can actually remarket to them again and again and again. So that is actually that. Bonus number 5, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make money with Fuego Multiplier. This one is actually a little bit advanced, where because you have to actually make a testimonial video, send it to the vendor. The vendor will now actually put it in his own sales page, just like this video right here. So where you can actually retarget any single person that visit that sales page. So that's the idea of Fuego Multiplier. But you can literally just skip that once you started getting an experience with this online stuff, then you can literally use that particular strategy. Bonus number 6, if you have a website, because I just decided to actually include this one, even though the previous bonuses I mentioned, they all have pre-built-in software that will help you to create a landing page. But still with that, if you need this, I'll actually give it to you, show you how you can create a beautiful landing pages. On top of that, I will also give you InstaBuilder plugin, which is a premium plugin. If you check on WordPress, Fiverr, you see that a lot of people actually charging people just to install this plugin for them. It's also a landing page builder, sales page builder. You can literally create all those kind of things with InstaBuilder if you have a WordPress website. Bonus number 7, I'm also going to be giving you access to this course called the Secret Weapon. Secret Weapon will show you how you can make money from solo ads. So solo ad, which means buying traffic from people that actually have big email list. So that's the idea behind Secret Weapon. So bonus number 8, I'm also going to be giving you access to all the bonuses the vendor gave to me to actually give to you. So all these amazing bonuses we are going to be delivered inside your Warrior Plus account once you purchase 1 hour workday via the link in the description of this YouTube video. So now let's go back to the software so that we can actually see exactly how we can use it. So now first and foremost, once you are in this software, the first thing to do is to actually make sure you click on this training so that you can have all this amazing advice, all these amazing strategies that you can literally use to make money online. So this is all about that. For the training, for the dashboard, this one will display all the campaigns you've already created inside your account. Then moving on with the campaign and article form, which you can literally use for your own blog post or for clients on Fiverr or any freelancing website. But right before we even start creating this campaign, I want to actually draw this to your own attention, because I've actually there are a lot of software that actually do this kind of work, right? So one thing with grabbing content from YouTube is that you need to actually be very, very careful, because there are some of the videos that literally, even if you transcribe them, they come with actually plagiarism. It's always good to actually check plagiarism, which is what this software doesn't do for you. You have to make sure you go there, because if you actually grab content, carry YouTube video, transcribe it with this software, you use it for your own, or you give it to client, and the long run the client actually found out that it has a plagiarism or something like that, you are going to lose the trust of that particular customer. And if you are using it for your own blog post, then Google will actually penalize you. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get rid of that. Yes, you get the content, but also I'll show you how you can get rid of the plagiarism issue. So to get started, all you have to do is to click on new campaign. Once you do that, the next thing to do is, let me just say show. So that is the description. For the description, let me just say show again. So click on create. So once you create it, it will be inside this one. So the next one is content. So for content, this is where actually you are going to be creating the content from YouTube. So in order to do that, all you have to do is click on content, click on get content, and this is where you are going to put the YouTube video URL. So now let's go to YouTube so that we can actually find. So let me just say, for example, I want to use this one. Click button for beginners 2020, click on the video link. Once I click on it, let me come back to the software then paste it. Once you paste it, then click on go. So what this software will do, as you can see, this is the whole lot of ClickBank for Beginners 2020. Make money on ClickBank with free traffic method. So let's check if exactly. Check this out. ClickBank for Beginners, make money on ClickBank with free traffic. As you can see, this is literally all what he talked about the pros, but you can literally do it from any niche, guy, be it photography, cooking, fishing, whatever you can think of. You can just search on the video and just come here and create the blog article for it. So all you have to do, as you can see, just click on copy content or save for later. So let's just click on save for later so that it will save it inside our account. So it was, can say, content updated successfully. So let me just try and see. So it will be part of our content. This is it, ClickBank for Beginners 2020. So literally other people are even there creating the same thing. So ClickBank for Beginners, this is a content right here. If you need it, you can just come here and click on this plus icon here so that it will open, as you can see, it will open the blog page for you. So now onto my bonuses, where I told you that I will be showing you exactly how you can check if there is plagiarism inside this article. It will also help you to go along with the punctuations and everything about it, which of course if you grab 1 hour workday via the link in the description of this YouTube video. So this is how you get your content from this software. The next thing is the blog article. This is the blog setup. If you decided to actually use this software as your own blog, but I don't actually highly recommend, especially since you are not the only person that will be using it. So in order to actually do that, all you have to do is to click on add blog, give it a name. So let me just say show again blog URL. Let me just use smart passive lives, let me just say .com. So WordPress username, WordPress password. So literally you can import your WordPress with this app, so that whenever you create an article, you just import it directly into your WordPress account, do all the necessary editing. So you can put in the tags. This way you say note, download 1 hour workday plugin, install your WordPress website and activate it. Then you can move with adding the same blog to 1 hour workday. So you can literally have 2 sets of articles, one from your blog and one from this application. So this is literally how you can create your own blog. You can connect your blog to the software, so that whenever you create an article, it will be automatically updated to your blog. So that's that about the blog setup. Now the profile, this way you can literally, this one is your basic information, of course. So your profile as in your name, your email address, your password, everything regarding yourself. So as you can see, this is the owner of this one right here. Then the second is where you say, so this is basically what the software will actually help you to do. Find videos on YouTube, transcribe them, and literally offer them as a service on Fiverr or any other freelance platform, or use it as your own for your own blog pages, of course. So like I said, all my amazing bonuses are going to be delivered to you inside your Warrior Plus account once you grab 1 hour workday via the link in the description of this YouTube video. My bonus number 1, which is Vanquish, teaching you how you can promote high ticket affiliate offers using YouTube ad, which is the cheapest form of advertising, the lockdown formula, the lost code, Foigo breakout, Foigo multiplier, how you can build a squeeze pages, and of course on top of that I will give you Insta Builder plugin, then the secret weapon, and on top of that, lastly, which is the vendor bonuses. All you have to do, guys, is to click the first link in the description of this YouTube video. It will take you exactly to the source page where you can grab click this pink button right here to grab yourself a copy of 1 hour workday. So that's literally that about my review on our workday demo OTOs, and of course for the pricing it will cost you $12.75. so that is actually that about my review on 1 hour workday. See you in the next video. Bye bye.